Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. Today we have another Math Olympiad questions and this question is very simple. The only thing is we need to observe it and we need to come to a conclusion, right? And I will tell you how to do this question by short trick. You actually don't need to calculate anything, right? So let us read the question first. It says price of a car is first increased by 20%. Okay, so I do not know what is the price. So I will say, like, when you have this type of question in competitive exams and you do not need to figure out the exact answer, okay, then what do we do? Okay, the price of a car is increased by 20%, right? So let us say the price was 100 in the beginning, okay, because I do not know the price, so I will start with 100. Then they say the price was increased by 20%. So what is the new price now? Now tell me the new price. It will be 120 because original price was 100 and it was increased by 20%. That means it was increased by 20, right? 20% of 100 is 20 only. That is why I took 100, right? So new price is 120. Then they say then then a 30% discount is applied to increase price. So now they are giving discount on this price. 30% of this price they are giving discount, right? So what will be the new price? So in this case, when the discount is 30%, so new price will be 70%. You can say that, okay? Because this is total is 100%. Out of that, 30% is discount. So the new price will be 100 minus 30%, that is 70%, right? So new price is 70% of 120. And if we solve it, we get 70 by 100 times 120, which is what? Which is 84. So what is the new price now? 84. So first they increase the price, then they gave discount. Okay, this is increase, this is discount. And after that the price is 84. Now they are asking us which of the following statements about the car's price is correct. Now on total, like if we see overall, was it a discount or is it increase in price? Okay, or new price was 100, original price was 100 and the final new price is 84. So it is actually 16% less or 16% discount they are offering, right? So that means they say that a total discount of 16% was applied. It is not increased, definitely. It is not 24% at all. So the answer is A. A total discount of 16% was applied, right? So whenever you get this type of question, always do it in this way. New price, you can say if it is an increase of 20, new price will always be 120%, like that. If it is a decrease of 30, new price will be 70%. Okay, follow that method and you will always get to the conclusion. Okay, so I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.